Hello guys and welcome to next episode of Tech News with Pallav. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my first Tech News. So without waiting a further ado, let's start today's Tech News with Tecno. Tecno launched its new Tecno Power 2 smartphone in India and it comes in two variants 464 and 6128 and the starting price of this smartphone is 10,999. This smartphone features a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus display, a 48 megapixel AI-enabled triple camera setup, and a massive 7000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. The next news comes from Xiaomi. Xiaomi is soon going to launch its Mi 11T and Mi 11T Pro smartphones in market, and the Mi 11T Pro smartphone receives Malaysia's CIRIM certification and also it has received FCC certification successfully. And both of these smartphones will feature 120Hz OLED display. And Xiaomi is also going to launch its compatible keyboard for its upcoming Mi Pad 5 tablet. And this keyboard has received EMT certification successfully. Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi has finally launched its first ever Redmi Book Pro at the price of Rs 49,999 and Redmi e-learning edition at the starting price of 14,199. The next news is coming from Oppo. Oppo is going to launch a new smartphone today and it will feature a truly under-display camera. The next news is coming from OnePlus. OnePlus has started rolling out Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 2 update for its OnePlus 6 and 6T smartphones, and it comes with several improvements and bug fixes. The next news is coming from Motorola. Motorola is soon going to launch its Moto E20 smartphone, and this smartphone receives TÜV Rheinland and Bluetooth SIG certification successfully, and this smartphone will feature 10-watt charging. And Motorola is also going to launch its Moto Edge 20 series of smartphones, and in China, Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro will launch as Moto Edge S Pro, and it is expected that it will be renamed and launched in India soon. Liking today's tech news? Please subscribe to the channel. It will be highly motivating. The next news is coming from Realme. Realme launched the Realme Flash 5G smartphone in global market, and it comes with the Snapdragon 888 octa-core processor. And in this launch event only, Realme launched its first ever magnetic charging technology known as Realme MagDart. The next news is coming from Samsung. Samsung is soon going to launch its Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 smartphones, and allegedly Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will cost 2009 euros, that is around 1.7 lakhs in India, and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 will cost 1029 euros, that is around 90,000 rupees in India. And right ahead of the launch, the official wallpapers of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 are available for a download. The next news is coming from Apple. Apple is soon going to launch its new Apple MacBook Pro, which will be powered with Apple's in-house M1X chip, and it receives European EEC certification successfully. The next news is coming from Vivo. Vivo is soon going to launch its new Vivo TWS2 and these TWS receives Malaysia's SIRIM certification. And Vivo is also going to launch its new series, that is Vivo Zen series smartphones, and it resembles iPod. The next news is coming from iQOO. iQOO has finally revealed the launch date of iQOO 8 series smartphone. This series is going to be launched on August 17 in China, and these smartphones will soon be seen in India and global market also. The last news is coming from Nokia. Nokia is soon going to launch its Nokia T20 tablet and three new smartphones named Nokia G50, Nokia G300 and Nokia X100, and we can expect all of these products very soon in global market and also in Indian market. I hope you liked today's tech news. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and stay safe.